Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the motley crew. Traveling with dogs, you gotta let them do their thing every once in a while. On the road to Sturgis, 2016, Sunday morning. Right now we're boondocked. Son Adams' backyard, Sidney, Nebraska. We ran an extra cord out here. We just got a little portable refrigerator inside, apartment size. We're going to leave things in while we're gone for the week up to Sturgis, rather than trust how long our batteries might last running things. We're going to shut everything down power wise and just run the little refrigerator tonight. Take off early in the morning, head for Sturgis on the motorcycles, meeting up with daughter Michelle and her friend Ryan in Scotts Bluff, I think, in the morning. But the plan right now, granddaughter Bentley wants to go for a motorcycle ride. Got the white trailer parked on the curb, 2 motorcycles, unloaded little utility trailer. We carry our tent and bedding and everything in. Think you can climb up there? Come around here on this side. Oh wait, Grandma's got something.
Okay, we got headbands. Alright, so I'll wear this one. Okay? Okay. Because this is like one of my favorites. Alright, so you'd be like Grandma. I'm not allowed to say what this makes us because, you know, that'd be inappropriate.
So now Miss Linda has agreed to go jump on the trampoline with her granddaughter Bentley. It's Monday morning, the 7th of August. Miss Linda's loading her tea bag on her bike. I've got mine all packed. There's the RV way out in the backyard. So you meet the strangest people on the road. We're in western Nebraska. We're just a little bit past Bayard. If you can see way back in the distance there, that's Chimney Rock. If we turn around the other way, Scotts Bluff National Monument. But we were just cruising down the highway and we came up on my daughter and her son, my grandson, Cindy and Devin. My daughter's coming up to Sturgis tomorrow. It was strictly coincidental we even saw them. So we just stopped to chat, meet my other daughter in a few minutes for lunch on up in Scotts Bluff, which is my daughter's bike, a Honda VTX. Yamaha V-Star for my grandson. We have a family full of motorcycle riders. Okay, we're in Scotts Bluff, Nebraska. Gonna meet kids here. My other daughter, Michelle, and her friend Ryan. Okay, lunch is over. Getting ready to head out of Scotts Bluff on up the road to Sturgis. Everybody's getting packed up, loaded up. Daughter Michelle, Miss Linda, Ryan, and everybody's motorcycles, and head up on the road. About a 4 or 5 hour ride, stopping 100 miles for gas for Michelle. She's got the littlest gas tank. Southern edge of the Blackhills up ahead. We're south of Hot Springs right now. That'll be our next gas stop. Okay folks, here we are at Sturgis. Here's our campsite. Just kind of show our setup. Got a tent here big enough to get a bike in. But you've seen the little trailer in other videos. This is just kind of a view. There's the shower house. Here's us panning on around. There's the refreshment. Beer, sandwiches, hot dogs, corn dogs, ice. It's a pretty handy place to be.